Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a file right here on this computer. You notice where the mouse is. If you have a touchpad, right click. Notice you bring up the small dialog box right here. Notice it's the word new. As soon as I put it on new, you notice right over here. But the document you want right here is the Word document. We're going to click on that. Now when you click on it, this is how you actually create the Word document. So if you want to copy it, you put the cursor upon it, you right click. You notice you bring up this dialog box. You want to click on Word copy. If you want it over here, just right click again and notice you see the word paste, and that's it. What if you want to cut it now? You right click, you go down to the word cut, click on it, come right up here, you right click and you press paste. Very important. But what if you want to give it a proper name? Put the cursor on it, you right click, you go down to the word rename. You go rename it my project. So when I name it my project now, you press enter and this is go. So what if I want to drag it down here? You just put the cursor on it, hold on left side of the mouse at touchpad and just drag it here. Put the cursor on it, hold on the mouse, left side of the mouse and just drag it like that. But what if I want to do both of them together? You just come like this, lock everything and just come like that and open it. Right? So very important. What if I want to open it? You want to right click on it, notice, bring up this look at the dialog box, you notice, open, press and open. When you press and open, you notice this is right here. Alright, I'm going to show you now when you can open it. You notice, highlight it like that, and you press the enter key, and there you go with it. It's very important. If you want to know when this document was created, so you right click and then you go down to the word properties. And when you go down to the word properties, this is what come up. Alright, you notice you show the name of the document right here. You notice you show you when it created, you notice the time and all of that. Yeah, very important. Alright, it will show exactly when it create all of that. So if somebody asks you the question, how do you do it? That's where you can actually do it. So it's very important, right? So how do you know what kind of document is this? You do the same thing by right click and go to properties. You know, this is a property right here. You should see the Word document right here. Yeah, so it's very important here. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Follow me for more and go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see more of these computer lessons.